Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients before heating. 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 4 egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Gather equipment: a medium saucepan, candy thermometer, heatproof bowl, whisk, and an ice bath bowl. Prepare add-ins like 1/2 cup chopped chocolate or fruit, and have an ice cream maker or a freezer-safe container on hand. Total prep active time is about 15 minutes, and you should cool the cooked custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Heat 2 cups heavy cream and 1 cup whole milk with 1/2 cup sugar in a saucepan, stirring until sugar dissolves and the mixture registers about 170 degrees F on a candy thermometer. Whisk 4 egg yolks in a separate bowl and slowly add a few tablespoons of the hot milk to temper the yolks while whisking constantly. Pour the tempered yolks back into the saucepan and cook gently, stirring, until the mixture reaches 175 degrees F and coats the back of a spoon. Immediately strain into a bowl and cool in an ice bath, then stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and chill for at least 2 hours. Pour the well-chilled custard into an ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches soft set consistency. Add 1/2 cup chopped mix-ins like chocolate or nuts during the last 5 minutes. If you don't have a machine, freeze in a shallow container and stir vigorously every 30 minutes for 2 to 3 hours to break ice crystals. Transfer the churned ice cream to a freezer-safe container. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent crystals and freeze for 4 hours to firm. Let the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.